Dear students of Paigasa Government High School, this is Muhammad Ismail Hussain. Welcome to my online class. Today I am discussing about transformation of sentence, and my topics of today is from complex to simple. Dear students, at first I want to say that complex sentence may be started various words. At first, I want to discuss about when one of them. If the given sentence is started with when and the subjects of both classes are same, then we will follow the rules that I have discussed. When he saw me, he went away. Here subjects of two classes he are same and the sentence start with when. So as the both subjects are same, so we have to start from verb. The verb of present form see plus ing plus me plus rest of the sentence. He went away. He went away. Seeing me, he went away. Dear students, if the given sentence starts with when, but the both subjects of these sentences are not same, then we have to apply the rules too. When I went to market, he saw me. The answer is we have to discuss when, then first subject I, verb plus ing, going to market, comma, he saw me. Dear students, I am giving another example. When the meeting was over, we left the palace. The answer is the meeting being over, comma, we left the palace. Dear students, rule 3. If the given sentence starts with as, we have to use because of in the simple sentence. As means because. So we have to use because in the simple sentence, such as as he was ill, he could not go to school. Because of. The positive case of he is his. Because of his, verb plus ing, that means being. Because of his being ill, comma, rest of the sentence. He could not go to school. Dear students, now I am discussing about though. Though oblique although is situated in the complex sentence, we can use in spite of in the simple sentence. Dear students, look at the whiteboard. Though he is poor, he is honest. We have to use in spite of instead of though. In spite of. The positive case of he is his. In spite of his, verb plus ing, that means being. In spite of his being poor. In spite of his being poor, comma, rest of the sentence. He is honest. Dear students, now I am discussing about when it is oblique when it was. If the sentence starts or includes when it is oblique when it was and then noun phrase, we have to follow some rules. We use during oblique in instead of season. We use in the instead of morning, evening, afternoon, etc. We use on before day. We can use at oblique in the time of a day. We can use at before is. We can use in oblique in the before year oblique old, such as I went to America when it was winter. The answer is I went to America when it was, instead of when it was, we can use in winter, as winter is a season. He came back home when it was evening. Evening is the period of time of a day. He came back home when it was evening. He came back home in the evening. When it was, instead of when it was, we have to use in the evening. Dear students, this is the discussion of transform of sentence complex to simple. Thank you very much. I will discuss about complex to simple in another class. If my classes are good, you will like, comments and share. Thank you very much.